Happy Monday, everybody. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at noon. A live look at our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam shows that wind is whipping those flags in the parking lot there, and you're seeing just a lot of snow there as well. There was some snowfall there earlier this morning in the pre-dawn hours, which created some slippery spots across our southeastern North Dakota counties. And that's where we're still seeing the worst of those road conditions at this hour. Here's a loop actually going back to midnight last night. You can see the pocket of heavier snowfall make its way through the Ellendale areas and then down into portions of the Sisseton Hills there just before dawn. So that gave just enough snowfall to make for some slippery spots. And it was windy this morning too when the snow was coming down. So we had some blowing snow on top of that as well. So that's where we're still seeing the worst travel conditions is right there in far southeastern North Dakota. But at this hour, things are sunny and quiet, as you saw on our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam. But things are cold. Air temperatures 1 in Langdon, 2 in Devils Lake, 10 in Fargo and in Wahpeton, 12 in Fergus Falls, 16 in Sisseton, a couple of the warmer spots, then a lot of single digits in northern Minnesota at this hour. Here's those temperatures on a closer look here. You can see the black line is the 0-degree line. So a lot of areas in northern North Dakota are right near that 0-degree mark, right? Like Rolla, Rugby, Candu, and of course Langdon, as I just said, is at 1 degree, but sub-zero temperature is just to the north of that line. And seeing a lot of those lower single digits as well, like areas like Walhalla, Cavalier, and then War Road, Roseau, Halleck, Grafton, all in the middle single digits. Middle single digits at this hour. When you factor in that air temperature that's bitterly cold up toward the northwest, that wind we're seeing, that gusting 30 miles per hour at times, those wind chills are 20 to 25 degrees below zero at this hour in our Devils Lake Basin counties. But notice everybody has sub-zero, even middle negative teens for those wind chills. So I expect this to be a factor for us all day long with bitter cold wind chills. You can see as we advance the hour by hour into this afternoon, we see those air temperatures stay in the teens off toward the south, single digits north, and that's about as warm as we'll get today. But the good news is that commute time stays quiet. We are watching those some clouds increasing after 5 o'clock in our western counties, and with that after about 8 p.m. could see some snowfall moving into our far western counties as well. Good news is, notice by 8 p.m. the wind is calm, but the air is still cold, single digits either side of zero by the time we hit 8 p.m. But that snowfall makes its way across the I-29 corridor around 11 o'clock or so tonight and then spreads into northern Minnesota. You can see pockets of deeper blue in a few spots, and that indicates to me some more moderate snowfall rates when those deeper blues are moving through any given location. This is 4 a.m. tomorrow. Most of that snowfall winding down across North Dakota. Still some snowfall ongoing in Minnesota. But by that morning commute tomorrow, take a look at this, 8 a.m. tomorrow. Most of that snowfall is done, but I think the damage to the roads will be done by that snowfall overnight. It's a quick moving system, but could drop enough to make for some dicey spots on the roadways tomorrow morning for that commute. Expecting again single digits and teens for those temperatures to start our Tuesday. Here's how much snowfall we're expecting. 2 to 5 inches is possible there in a very narrow band right down just north of I-94 and just north of Highway 10 in Minnesota. So 2 to 5 inches there, but trace to 3 inches on either side of that, both north and south. So again, just enough, especially if we get a bit of a breeze, to create for some slippery spots on those roadways for that Tuesday morning commute. Good news is for Tuesday, the first day of winter, days will start getting longer after that. But upper teens for those highs on Tuesday, then 20s for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll have the chance of some late snow on Thursday and then the chance of some mixed precipitation on Friday, turning over to all snow once temperatures fall into Christmas morning. So that's why we have that first alert weather day there, because of the travel impacts that travel implications that we could see from that system. And then of course Saturday, Christmas Day, and it looks blustery, cold, a good old North Dakota winter, but we may wake up to some snowfall for a white Christmas for us on Saturday.
Isn't that all what we want for Christmas?
That really is.
Thanks so much.